just going to show you quickly how to repair this pressure cooker lid. The floater valve has popped out, and so what I did is order a replacement from Baccarat, and it arrived in the post. So all we have to do is pop it down the hole, shake it out. So floater valve, we'll just pop that down the hole, and then just stick a tool down there to hold it, so that when you come to the bottom side here, you're going to take this little gasket and you're just going to clip it over that collar there, and then this thing is going to float up and down.